Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you enter a code on your Temu website because it's just I'm showing you that if you get any type of coupon code, if you get any type of discount code, if you get any type of referral code, so how can you just add or how can you just redeem that code into your website on the Temu application or Temu website? So firstly, I will go on my Google Chrome here and log in into my Temu account on my phone here on my Google Chrome here like this, and this is my account here. What I have to do, you can see there is an option called T, that is my name, and that is me on this. So I will just go on the my account option here, and here you will see one option that is coupons and offers. So just click on the second option here. For better experience, you can just switch it to the desktop side which you want. So now here you will go on the coupon option. Let me just do that. Here you will see unused coupon. You can just copy your coupon code here, and then you can click on the apply button and the code will be applied to your account successfully. So this is how you can just add any type of code in your Temu website on your mobile phone. You can do the same process on your application. If you have app, that is more good. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Thank you so much for watching it.